how they responded after Game 1's win. It was a team effort. Everybody was on the same page and knowing that how important this game was for us to win. The series isn't over. Still got to get 2 more wins, rest up, and come back for Sunday's game.
Now Washington, matter-of-factly summing up what they've done to Ginebra in the last 2 games. You know, I know that Cabaldon is like public enemy number 1 sa barangay, no? But you know, Washington really is their biggest foe, their biggest nemesis in this series.
Kumbaga siya yung Al Capone, public enemy number 1. Si Cabaldon siguro sa kalibre ni Babyface Nelson o kaya John Dillinger.
Or siyempre, mas pansin kasi, no? Yung mas angat na angat yung nagawa ni Alex Cabaldon in game number 1. He's such a threat down the stretch of close games.
But I'll tell you, one reason why Cabaldon is also able to get away for those buzzer beater game clinching shots is because the defense of Barangay Ginebra is also keyed on Jay Washington. So they're not really able to put too much pressure on any one guy because there are other players out there like Ontiveros, Jay Washington, like that guy who just took a shot, Danny Stigos. Those guys are all potential weapons for San Miguel Beer.
Oh, we have a lot of veterans on the floor right now. Eric Beck is in para sa Ginebra. And Daniel Defonso, and as we mentioned, Danny Siegel now part of this game as well. Pull up ni Miranda Norgo, rebound Danny I. And here's Siegel, Siegel twirls, Siegel fires and scores!
What about the composure of Danny Siegel? I mean, he was under fire that time. So many defenders trying to put pressure on him, but Siegel still making the shot.
And this is the gambit. Not starting Willie Miller, inserting him in the second unit to provide more firepower for their bench.
And I also think that it's a smart move on the part of Coach Joseph and Chico. I think Miller is a little too pressured to be able to deliver as soon as possible when he starts for the team. And now at least he has a little bit time to relax on the bench before he's able to pour on the points.
And there's a foul in the backcourt committed by Joseph Yo.
Remember what I was saying kanina, Nico, about those 2 useless fouls given up by San Miguel, that's going to catch up to them. Well, San Miguel is in a penalty situation right now. Penalty na ako? Yes, penalty. Okay. I just wanted to make sure. And Ginebra is going to take free throws. So again, because of yung useless fouls, no, it caught up to San Miguel, and Barangay Ginebra is going to capitalize.
And the Big Dome unveils the Big Cube, the biggest indoor LED installation in the country, custom built from the United States from the makers of the same LED scoreboard of the Miami Heat and the Orlando Magic. No matter how far you are seated, you still get front row experience. The Big Cube at the Big Dome, only inside the Araneta Coliseum.
Now we just talked to Ginés Enriquez, who's the head of marketing of Uniprom and a spokesman for the Araneta Group. He said it took 5 days and 12 men to install this huge device up the rafters, and they were working 24 hours round the clock.
Tama yun, kasi that was the same time it took para ma-install yung akin sa kwarto. Ganun na ganun din.
You know, you might be inviting people to come to your house to watch games with your giant TV
Oh,
set.
problema, wala na ako sala set, wala na ako dining set. Ayan na yun. Diyan na rin ako natutulog.
Para tama na din.
Welcome contribution from Eric Mink in this series.
Oh, this is exactly what Coach Joseph Chico was hoping for. Quality minutes coming in or being contributed by Eric Mink.
Gives a Helterbrand. Willie Wilson now in the game. Helterbrand for 3. And the rebound nakuha ni Eric Mink. Eric Mink against 4 red shirts that time.
Eric Mink with 4 points in this game. This is only his second appearance in the last 6 games of Barangay Ginebra.
Shot clock down to 8. And it'll be last touch on Willie Wilson. There is a pep, a different pep in the step of Ginebra here in the opening quarter, game 3.
And this is also a grand G5 on the floor for Ginebra. No starter on the court here for the Kings.
Almost na ang oras dito sa opening quarter. Nice looking shot by Sigor. 3 seconds to go. 2 seconds to go in the first period. Binato ang bola. Not enough time. Nevertheless, there's one to strong start that Ginebra wanted, that Ginebra needed. At dito sa game number 3, lamang ang Jane Kings 30-14 at the end of the opening quarter.